What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with a banger reaction. Yeah man, calm down. Yeah man, people, you see what I do today. Yeah man, we're back in the music club with another banger reaction. And today gang, we got Teejay and Davido Drift Remix official music video. Yo, that's a good look, man. It's a good look, man. Yeah man, glad to see Jamaica and Africa link up. You don't know Davido is a giant in Afrobeat music, and you don't know Teejay is a giant in dancehall music. You see me? So I'll check it out and see what I'm gonna deal with today. I don't think Drift really need any remix. You know what I'm saying? I don't think Drift can get much bigger than it already is. Big song gonna be a big song, a hit song gonna be a hit song. You see me? But he did the remix today and we're gonna enjoy it and see what I gotta deal with it. You see me? I say, I jump right in that track. Let's see what they got, man. This is Teejay and Davido Drift Remix. Let's get it, gang.
We made it, bro. Drift.
Clad. Man say we made it, bro. You see me? Private jet shipping champagne, shipping champagne. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Nice out like the African beats them charge them, bro. That's live. You know what I'm saying? And the vibes. Yeah, man. Dog, I woke up in Africa, dog. Oh man, didn't go with the Nigerian prince himself, Davido. Yo. Hey guys, let me know if I'm wrong. Let me know where Davido is from. He's from Nigeria or what country is he from? Is it me? Okay. Well, Africa look like Jamaica, man. Yeah, we are one people, you know. Come on. Alright, so. Where I say I be that godfather, oh? Eh? Back say big man do it in Africa, dog. Big old G-Wagon, big old Maybach, big old whip over here, so big. You see me? I love it. You don't, yo. You be sleep on African people, bro. African people be lavish as well. And rich. I mean, same food. You see that man? But the I stand, damn, bro. That's some diamonds right there, boy. Shit, been blow. Enemies one, we over them. Can't try we are more than we follow. You know? I love the fact that Africa, almost our Africans can dance, bro. Just like Yadi, dog. Look at the vibes, man. Man say Lambo me back when we roll out. Don't play with the bumbo clad. $30 billion. More classy, mama. Look guys, anyway, you moving for me, girl. The trouble where they sleep now, you define. Tonight I say na me and you go jam. After the concert, girl, we go contact. After we concert, we go contact, girl. I'm tear man, I am man. Come on. Skin to skin. Stop. Oh, singer, yeah, bad man. Or for the safe people condom to skin, you know what I'm saying? Sex always, right? Killer, some move, some rock, some sick liquor. Move, you, quick, keep up, girl, jazz, drop, quicker, make a dance couple times, girl, take my picture. I'll be fuck up in ya. Hey, yo, don't be wild out in the day. It's early morning right now, gang. It's like 6 in the morning. I'm about to turn the fuck up, man. Hey, they killed the routine for this so crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, no joke. I ain't gonna lie to you. This shit gonna make me wild out, gang. This shit gonna make me wild out. This is a total, uniterated, unaltered, here's the interrupted vibe, bro. See a hot girl, me a call her hello. If you see the guy dance and the place get mellow, hear me a tell you. Something to me think, chain to my fling, skip the enemy them. Oh, the routine. I can't remember the routine, yeah, but the routine, whatever. Me super thing, camera, action, flame. Put me outside, lock down your building. Let me fuck up in your. Oh, hey, don't judge me, bro. Because my headphones, I can't really move like that, bro. You know, I ain't got that much room. I need some wireless headphones, no cap. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I can't even slide. I ain't got enough room to do it. Damn, I'm mad as hell right now. Hey. I bet me fuck up in a vibe, it's a vibe. Hello. Come in. Just find them bomba, man. Huh, tell man? Yeah. Total vibe, man. Yeah.
Keeper, can't stop. Oh, singer, yeah, bad man, killer. Some move, some rock,
Some liquor. Hey,
you,
what? Keeper.
girl, jazz,
Drop.
quicker. Make a dance couple time, girl, I take my picture.
Hey, I bet me.
Make me fuck up in ya. Jiff,
Yeah. Jiff. Tear Jiff pan them blow. What we say Jiff and a blood clean peanut butter. Jiff.
Jiff,
I bet me.
fuck up in ya. Jiff,
Easy. Now we have to broke up. Easy.
I bet me fuck up in ya. Girl, bye, Anna, Jiff.
Jiff man them. Yeah man. Shout out to Teejay, shout out to Up Top Camp, shout out to Davido, shout out to Africa, shout out to all my African family, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all, man. You see, man, it's a good look, it's a vibe. Definitely like the track. Drift is definitely a big song, big hit song. Everybody love it. When you hear it, can't help but move. Good look for the culture. Yeah, Zimian said good look for Jamaica, good look for Africa. We love when we united and we do great stuff, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, love to see each other. Love to see us living as one, supporting each other, man, and just pushing each other to do better, man. So good look, gang. Let me know what you think about that, gang. What do you think about the remix, Teejay and Davido Drift remix? So you think about them linking up? Do you think it's a good look art the culture could have did without it? Let me know all that good stuff. Let's talk about it. You know what I'm saying? But personally, I think it's a good look. It's a good vibe. It's good look for the culture. Love to see us think hopefully more collaborations come out of Africa between dancehall and Afrobeats artists and the culture and black people overall, man. Just keep moving forward, living as one, bro, uniting and just doing great things. You see, man? See, man, all over Africa live just like yard, bro. To see almost same food vibes, everything just like we, you see me? Yeah, man, gang. It's a good look. You don't know. Till next time, gang. Drop your comments in the comment section if you like to show that some of our support. You know, and think all that good stuff in the comments. Join the Discord. Link in description is fixed. Yeah, man, gang. I'm gonna be streaming a lot more often, gang. So look for that. I'm trying to go live every day now. I'm a streamer. Yeah, man, gang. It's time to, Yeah, man. Just hope you be here and support your boy. I don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.